Lift me up.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in today's video I'll be taking you guys along how I achieve this hair, like how I'm going to make this hair. If you know, I'm not a wig type, like I'm not that kind of person that do all this kind of frontal, but I like to do frontal, but there is no time for all that. Okay, there is no time to do frontal. There is no time, like maybe like my hair is just like this, I will just put on my wig and I'm good to go. Okay, so most of the time I braid my hair. I braid my hair all the time, so it's just when it's necessary, that's when I wear wig cap. Yep. So guys, this is the center part closure that I will be using. Like this closure, I've had this closure for ages, like like it's about 3 years now. I have this 3 years. Can you imagine? Maybe for example, I'm that kind of person that like to do closure, all those things. Like I could have put this thing in wig long time ago. So this is it, guys. This is what it looks like. See, so I've already bleached the knuckles. I bleached it yesterday. This is what it looks like, guys. Are you seeing it? So I've already bleached it. So, and that is it. It's a deep wave. I got this on AliExpress like 3 years ago. I got this on AliExpress. Yeah. So, and that is it, because this is my weave on. Like I've made this is my weave on. Like I've made this weave on. Like I've put this weave on. Like this is the, I've put this weave on 2 times in cap. So I remove it. I fix it on my natural hair. I fix it on my natural hair. Like I've fixed this hair. This hair, I watched this hair yesterday and we'll be fixing this together. Do you see? Did you see that it's the same? Are you seeing what I'm saying? That is the same. This one is I think, what inches is this? Is 16 inches. The closure is 16 inches. And this one, you can see that some are longer than the other. One is 18 inches and the other is 16 inches. Yes, I got this weave on when I was in Milano and all that. So guys, let me show you how I'm going to fix this, and as well I'm going to insert it with you all. So I hope I take you guys along when I'm inserting this wig on my hair. So this is a deep wave. This deep wave, I love this weave on so much. I've fixed this weave on many times. Like this weave on is going to 4 years, I think. Yes, 4 to 5 years now. This weave on is 5 years now. So it is the way it is. So I got this weave on in what is it called? Not AliExpress. I bought it in a shop, so in Milano. So this is how it looks. Very clean. So guys, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's dive into this video. Let's
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up.
Guys, I'll be taking this out. Like, this is what the wig looks like. I don't know if you get, I know my wig is still because I don't have any other wig, and if I say let me order, it will take like 3 to 4 days to come, and I really wanted to make this wig, and I say if I don't make this wig now, forget it, maybe it will be till December. So that's why I'm using this type, of cap, because I remove this one. Before I remove this one, I wash it, so I will use it again. So sorry for that. Before they go say peculiar not get money to take back cap. I don't want to waste the cap, and this cap is still okay, just that the hole is just a little bit old dead. So, and that is it. So guys, this is what I want you to choose. Did you like the wet one or the dry one? Because definitely I'm going to, oh my god, che bella, bellissima, mamma mia, guarda. Guys, how did you say this wig? I'm not like those people that sew wig. They use machine, like they use a sewing machine, the one they use in sewing clothes. That is what they use, because I am not a fan of I don't do wig for people, so that's why I just use my thread and needle the holiday style. So guys, this hair is so full. Did you like it like this, or what do you think? Should I wet it? I think I like it like this, I think I like it like this. Oh, I like to be a Barbie girl, exactly the way I want it, very tight. And this lace, I will not be using glue, I will be using glueless, like just my spray. I'll be using this spray too. And this is my water. I have oil on it, my natural aloe vera oil that I made, and I'll be using, this is my condition. This is the condition I use in washing this hair, and this is the condition I'll be using to wet it. So in case maybe you are asking, you want to know what I pour inside, that's what I'm telling you. So this is what I normally do. Like, I don't like to buy hair cream for, I don't buy hair cream for my weave on. No. In short, I don't rub hair cream in my hair, so I'm just putting this little bit of oil inside because I want it to shine a little bit. I've not put oil on this hair since I bought it, guys. So if you buy good hair, if you like, you put oil. If you like, you wet it, it will still be the same. So guys, this is it. I've not even finished wetting it. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, just only one side. Oh, I'm feeling my ooh.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.